Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have some news. I recently got a new camera. On my Instagram page, I had posted about it and people were trying to guess and nobody ended up guessing correctly. So I wanted to make a video and share what my purchase was. Not really unboxing because I ended up unboxing off screen, even though my friend Vince, who some people may know in the YouTube community, told me I should unbox it on here. I ended up not doing that, but here it is, the Nikon F100. Picked this up because I was looking for a new 35mm camera to shoot with, and I ended up going with this one because I shoot Nikon already. I know there's going to be some Canon photographers that see this and be like, why do you shoot Nikon? But I have always liked Nikon for my own personal reasons. But all of the lenses that I have on my DSLR, I can just connect to this camera without any hassle, without using an adapter, so it's super convenient. And I did shoot a test roll, which I'll put at the end of this video, but so far I'm happy with this. Later in the year, the end of next month, I will be going to New York for a few days, and this is going to be the camera I take there. I didn't want to bring a big bulky mamiya with me to be carrying around, so I'll be taking this as my main camera for that trip, and I'm really looking forward to what I can create with this. So let me know what you think about the photos at the end of the video. They're nothing really like great, just some test shots. But let me know what you think, and let me know if you have any experience using this camera and how you've enjoyed or not enjoyed it. Peace.